Hi students, this is the piece that we were working on at the bandsaw where we cut out this arc and we cut out the arc of the tops for your piece. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and sand this and get this to the right size and shape and remove some of the marks from the bandsaw blade itself. So the first machine that we have here is the oscillating spindle sander. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean up this little section of this arc here and here, and that's all it's going to take. Okay, so all I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my piece down and I'm going to turn on the machine. I'm going to wait for it to give the full RPM before I go ahead and start sanding it on the downstroke side of the sand. I'm just going to try and remove just the marks from the bandsaw blade itself. There's two left that I need to remove. Let the machine do the work itself. Do not try to, do not push or exert force into the disc or the drum. Okay. So now you can see where we have removed any marks that may have been here or here. I just have a little bit of sanding to get rid of that one bandsaw blade mark there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the edges here on the disc sander. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to wait for this to get the full RPM before I walk away, and then we'll take a look at it, okay? So turn this on. 4 inches, my hand blade. You can see the pencil line here. I want to sand it to that line. As you can see, I sanded it right to the line on this one. So that took care of that. So now we have this completely sanded and shaped to exactly what we want for this part. So we're just going to set this down here. And then I'm going to show you in a little bit better detail up close. So like this is what this would look like on the floor in your home with that there. Okay, now we did create this nice little arch to here to give it some lift. And then we have a nice arch on the exterior as well to help make this look really, really elegant. And the way I look at it is these two pieces, now this piece right here is one of the two that goes across in a half lap joint, which I'll be showing you in a very videos very soon. But this is one of the two pieces that's going to be shaped just like this. This is the bottom piece of this part. Okay. Sorry about that. But so this is the shape, and this is how you go ahead and sand this with using these machines. Now you're going to remember, the belt disc sander and the oscillating spindle sander, these machines are designed to remove material, not to sand it for the finish, to prepare it for finish. So it's really not a finishing tool. So what has to happen yet is there's some woodworking joints that have to be cut on this piece and the other pieces, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and shape them with a router bit to give it a little bit more organic look to it, and then we'll sand it, then we'll go ahead and stain it and top coat it. But I wanted to show you exactly what this took to go ahead and get the arches and the arcs that are needed for this project, because it's very straightforward, very simple, clean line. Like I said, we don't want it to distract from the epoxy tabletop. So until next time, I'm Mr. C, and this is how you go ahead and use the oscillating spindle sander and the belt disc sander to shape your pieces for the desired arcs that you needed for this project. So if you give us a thumbs up, and in the comments section, you put something that you learned in this video, I'll put you in for another entry for this project. So I'll see you later. All right.